Thanks for tuning in once again. On today's video, I want to show you how to make passive income online. Even if you're a beginner, I will break this down step by step so you can follow along. Even if you don't know where to start, by the end of this video, you will have a clear plan to begin your passive income journey. So, without wasting time, grab your pen and paper and let's get started.
Welcome, everybody.
First, let's define passive income. Passive income means you earn money without constantly working for it. But don't be fooled, it's not free money. It takes time, effort, and strategy upfront. Once you set it up, it generates income consistently with little maintenance. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the effort to plant and nurture it. But once it's grown, it provides fruit season after season. Passive income is life-changing. Passive income is powerful because it gives you freedom. Freedom from relying solely on a 9 to 5 jobs. It allows you to focus on what matters most in your life. Whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with your loved ones. Passive income helps create a life of financial independence and flexibility. With that said, let's take a look at some proven ways to make passive income online. First is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. You simply share a unique link, and when someone makes a purchase through it, you earn a commission, all without having to create your own products. All what you need to do is to join an affiliate program. You sign up for an affiliate program offered by a company or through an affiliate network. Next is to get a unique affiliate link. Once you join, you get a special links to promote the company's products or services. Then you share these links on your website, social media, or other platforms to encourage people to click on them. When someone clicks on your affiliate links, they are directed to the company's website. Then, if the person buys something or takes another actions like signing up, it tracks back to your link. Now, let's talk about how you earn a commission. You earn a commission based on the sales or the actions the customers complete. Then the company pays you the commission usually on a regular basis. There are different types of affiliate commission structures. We have the PPS, which is pay per sales. In this case, the affiliate earns a percentage of the sales price when the customer makes a purchase. Then again, there is one called PPC, which is pay per click. Here, the affiliate earns a commission for every click generated through their link, regardless of whether a sales occurs. And then lastly, we have the PPL, which is pay per lead. The affiliate earns a commission when the customer performs a specific action, like signing up for a newsletter or filling out a contact form. Another way to make passive income is by selling digital products. What exactly are digital products? These are intangible items that are sold and delivered online. Ebook, online courses, stock photos, printable softwares, or even music and digital arts. The best part is once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without much effort. Now, how do you create a digital product? First, you need to identify a niche. This could be something you are passionate about or an area where you have expertise. Once you figure that out, choose the right digital products. Maybe you create an ebook, a course, or design templates. Whatever you choose, make sure it offers real values to your audience. Once you've got your products, you need a place to sell them. You've got lots of options here. Etsy for printables, Teachable for courses, or even Gumroad for ebooks. There are platforms for almost every type of digital products. So pick one that fits your needs. Another way to earn passive income is through dropshipping. Now, first thing first, what is dropshipping? Let's break down what dropshipping actually means. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a retail business model where you, the store owner, don't need to hold any inventory. Instead, when someone buys something from your store, you purchase that product from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. So you are essentially a middleman between the customer and the supplier. Now, let me walk you through how dropshipping works from start to the finish. First is setting up an online store. You need to create an e-commerce website. Shopify is a popular platform for dropshipping because it integrates with the supplier and automates a lot of the process. Next, you need to partner with a supplier who will fulfill your orders. Websites like Opelo, AliExpress, or Spockets allows you to find suppliers with dropshipping friendly products. Once your store is set up with the product you want to sell, the next step is getting traffic. You can do this with paid ads, SEO, or social media marketing. When someone places an order on your store, you purchase the product from your supplier and they handle the shipping directly to your customer. Another way to make passive income online is through content creation. If you love creating videos, writing blogs, or starting a podcast, then this method is for you. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorship, or selling your own products. For example, on YouTube, you earn money from ads shown on your videos. On blogs, you can use ads and affiliate links. The more people engage with your content, the more you earn. Another way to earn passive income online is by investing. Investing is one of the oldest passive income strategies. By buying dividends, paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, or even cryptocurrency, you can earn return over time. Just start small. Use apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fundraise to begin your investment journey. But remember, investing carries risk. So, educate yourself before diving in. Lastly, I want to talk about online royalties. If you are a creative person, royalties might be your perfect income streams. For example, musicians can earn royalties by uploading songs to platforms like Spotify or YouTube. Photographers can sell their photos on stock websites like Shutterstocks or Adobe Stocks. Once your work is uploaded, you earn every time someone downloads or uses it. Finally, we have come to the end of this video. Thanks so much for being with me since the beginning of this video to the very end. I hope this video has really added value to you. If you have gained in any way from this video, please guys, don't hesitate to put thumbs up in this video. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you like what I do on my channel, please don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button. Please feel free to leave your comments and your opinion below in the comment section. I will really do appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. See you next on my video. Bye bye.